Behold, the power of the cat that lives at the top of the fridge. Hello. Hello. Just curious as to what is this?
What is this thing? What is this thing you're handing me, human? Oh.
Oh dear.
Well, let's devour the cat.
He lives at the top of the fridge. Yeah.